My name is Al. I'm a renovation contractor in the Ottawa area. We've been in business for over the last 30 years. And we've been using the TicWheel on the last couple of projects. And I can honestly say it's been saving us a lot of time. We apply the marks on our tops and bottom tracks. And once we get everything lined up, it's just a matter of standing the studs in place, screw them on, and away we go.
So I have to put my backing in. So if there's any
For the installation of our drywall, normally we take our tape and we make our marks with our pencils. This way we just make a couple of marks on the drywall, and then with our TicWheel we apply the marks on it, and again, it saves us a lot of time. It's quicker, easier, and a lot neater.
And what about missed screws and that sort of thing? Normally, do the guys miss a lot of screws, or what time saving would it be if guys just don't miss the studs when they're screwing things?
Oh, absolutely. It's not so much saving time for screwing the drywall on, it's saving time not having to go back and patch the extra little hole that half the guys don't take the screws out, so the taper ends up running into the screw heads with his drywall knives. It's just a lot quicker when the drywall is screwed on properly from the onset, that you don't have to go back and repair it afterwards.
Okay, if this was in the builder supply store, would you tell guys to grab one?
I would. I would tell the guys, pick it up, give it a try. Again, it saves us a lot of time, and I'm very happy with it. And it's easy to use. That's the best part about it.
Now what about a handyman? Now you know what you're doing. You're a contractor. You've done this all your life. But what about the guy that doesn't understand laying out centers or how to just get started?
Well, it's easy to use. So as long as you get yourself started, it's easy to use. I mean, you just apply the marks at the appropriate starting point. That's the most crucial thing. And it's user-friendly. That's all I can say. Stupid simple.
Perfect.